My name is Claudia McKissick and I work at Ulti Group. Today we are at Independent Fisheries checking out some doors that we installed just over a year ago. The Ulti Frigo 2 is a freezer door. It's a door perfectly suited to freezers. It has two insulated curtains with a gap in between. Within the cavity we blow hot air, which adds to the insulation. It also stops the door from freezing, which can be an issue with ice build-up. Operating under MPI food safety standards, ice build-up is less than ideal. On this site we've installed 6 Ulti high-speed rapid doors, of which 2 of them are the Ulti Frigo 2. Another key benefit is energy efficiency. Behind this Ulti Frigo 2 door is a freezer that's negative 22 degrees. The speed of the door means that energy loss is minimal each cycle. Another special feature of this door is the seal. It prevents warm air from entering the freezer space, which prevents ice build-up. So on our Ulti roll doors we have a knockout feature, which is a soft bottom bar. Should a forklift hit the bottom bar, then it will knock the curtain out and it can refeed up the top in the 2 refeed slots. This prevents our customers from having to call us every time a door's hit. Traditional doors had a solid bar. One hit would horseshoe it, which would put the door out of action. On our Ulti doors this isn't an issue. On the ambient doors here, the non-freezer doors, they've opted for clear panels for enhanced visibility. This is key to health and safety on site. Our relationship with Independent Fisheries has been for over a decade now. They love our doors and we know you will too. Get in touch and we'll provide a solution.